Hello students, how are you? On 15th of January, it was being written today being Makar Skranti, high of the swing is an important trend decider. And on 15th, Nifty 50 formed a lifetime high and after that corrected. On 17th, it was being posted. The high formed on Makar Skranti of 22,115 worked as a perfect trend decider. Nifty dropped by 500 plus points in just 2 days, all God's grace. And from the high, Nifty dropped by almost 1,000 plus points. There was another forecast. Can 8th and 9th Jan 2022 be powerful days for market moves? And then we have seen on 8th and 9th of January, it walked as a rock. It moved in a big way. Then it was written the important date to trigger a strong move is Jan 18, 2024 followed by Feb 6, 2024. Now let's see on the chart how Jan 18th and Jan 15th behaved as a good reversal dates. Let's move on the charts. Let's move to Nifty 50. From 15th Jan to 18th Jan, what a big drop. What a big drop. And after that, it moved up by 50% and it's very much sideways within the zone. But what is important is the bottom formed on 18th, which is 21,285. Remain bullish above this, and what should be your sell point and the stop loss to the buy? That is the bottom of 21,136. Now 21,136 and 21,285 is a trend deciding zone. All right, if we check on another indices, let's look at US 30. 15 to 18, big drop, and what a rally after it. What a rally after. Before 15th, it was very much in a very tight zone. You look at most of the candles are in a very tight zone. From 15 to 18, big drop and a big rally. This is the chart of tax. Tax formed the bottom on 17th. From 15 to 17, big drop. And after that, there was established a very, very strong rally. Look at the France 40, yeah, CAC 40. Big drop from 15. After that, oof, what a rally, what a rally. All the losses of last 1 month was wiped out in just 3 days. That is the power. Look at the Shanghai. Shanghai dropped in a big way from 2,910 to somewhere near to 27,060, and after that it remains sideways. But in last 4 days there was a good amount of rally in Shanghai Composite Index. Let's check Hang Seng. There was a big drop again from 15th to 18th, and after 18th it was sideways for 2 days. After that, a rally, and it moved near to the high of 15th. Now I want to point out one commodity, that's crude oil. Okay, this is the chart of crude oil, and look at it. It was 17th when the bottom was being formed. From 15th, from 12 to 17, there was a big drop. After that, a big rally. In many indices, many commodities, 18th has played a wonderful trend deciding date. For the last almost 3-4 months, I'm saying only that 2024 is going to be very, very volatile. And it is volatile. We have just seen the January, what a big moves in the both directions we are able to witness. What are the reasons? I have explained many reasons that valuations are very high. So what should be the next step? There is a demand of correction. But on the other hand, macros are favoring now to equity markets. Inflation is cooling off or cooled off in many countries, and possibility is from the May onwards, May, June, July, there can be some interest rate cuts, especially in Fed. If I have to guess, Fed may cut interest rates by 25 basic points every month from May onwards, May, June, July. That may take rest for a month, and after that again there is a possibility of 2 more cuts of 25 basic points, or one maybe of 50 basic points also. What are the other trigger points? One is the election in India of central government in May 2024, and in November 2024 the election in United States of America for presidential election. That's presidential elections, very, very important. So this year there are the many big reasons. Before election, government is going to pump in huge money in infrastructure and some subsidies or paying to the state governments. And after the election, when outcome is clear, then the private companies are going to push or pump in money in new ventures or investments. They may wait till the election results. The corporates may wait till election results, outcome is there. Then they can decide to go aggressively. So this is a scenario where we have many trigger points for markets to move up or correct. So there will be a good amount of volatility in the market in 2024. I can be wrong, but possibility is very high. The market may remain volatile throughout the year for one or the another reasons. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students.